Change on the window.
Alright guys, so today on Turbo Tyler, finally got another turbo car on the channel. This is one I've been wanting to go in for a while. So this is Brent. This is Audi S3. These are the 8V variants, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 8V pre-facelift. This is.
Oh, pre-facelift one.
Yeah.
What year is it?
15.
15 plate, yeah. Man. So how come you got this over a Golf R then? Because it's pretty much the same sort of drivetrain and engine underneath, isn't it?
Practically the same car in a way.
Yeah.
But I got this because it's a little bit less common than the Golf Rs. Like you see a lot of the Golf Rs. They are great cars. I'll give them that. But I just thought I'd go with this because it's a bit more unique.
Yeah. You haven't had it too long, have you? It's only 5 months, is it? Something like that?
I got it in June, so yeah, about 5 months or so.
Yeah. And what sort of mods have been done to it so far?
Power-wise, just a stage 1 remap and a induction kit.
Yeah. So what power does it make then without those mods?
It's 296 brake standard.
Okay.
At the minute with the stage 1 remap, it's 370.
Yeah. That's a massive increase for just an intake and a tune, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's crazy. And other than that, I see you've got the carbon mirrors on it.
Yeah, I've done a few appearance mods, the red vent rings and stuff like that, just like little subtle mods for now.
Yeah.
But other than that, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, brilliant then. Well, there's nothing else to do but to go out for a drive in it then.
Yeah, let's do it.
Brilliant. Jesus Christ. God. It pulls, doesn't it? I can't believe that's only a stage 1 as well. Man.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Just feels like it lasts forever as well because the changes are so quick.
Yeah. It feels like it's still pulling even when you're changing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, fucking the foot down.
Yeah, there's no delay.
Yeah. There's no bit that stops pulling.
Yeah.
That's quite bad.
Man. This is mental. They're so quick.
Still tell it's got its cat in it.
But it's nice though because it's not like drony or deafening, but you still get the pops and the bit of fun. it starts to lose grip, it corrects itself really fast, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't let anything go.
No. Like with traction control on, it does actually do its job to me.
Yeah. I've never noticed that the boost gauge on the dash either.
Have you not?
No.
Yeah.
This is my first time in one.
Oh, yeah. On S3s it comes with a boost gauge, but on
Yeah.
like A3s, it's just like the oil temp.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a good little nimble to have to be fair.
God. What gear was that?
That was a fourth gear pull.
Fourth gear, and it's pulling like that. Jesus.
It's 400 newton meters torque standard.
Yeah.
With the remap, I'm thinking it's probably about 500 newton meters.
Probably, yeah.
Which is like quite a lot of torque for a petrol car.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, 500 is quite a lot in it.
Yeah, VAG engines always do. I mean, my Stage 2 Golf, even though it was an 05 car, that had 436 newton meters. But I've got so accustomed to how slow my Fiesta is, everything now just feels like ridiculously fast.
On the window. Go. Man, I know if you change on the window.